Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an example of how to wear Velvet Decade, Lisa Eldridge's True Velvet Mattes. I decided to wear this lipstick as full coverage as it's at its most decadent and most glamorous because Lisa said it's a vintage and modern shade. She said it was inspired by hand-painted tinted sepia portraits. Velvet Decade is described as a deep chocolate shade with blue and red lively undertones. This is a swatch from my previous video. Please be sure to check it out and I hope you enjoy. So I started with this amazing Banana Blur Primer. It's a cream consistency and it really smooths out my skin. My foundation was Fenty and the Huda Beauty Tan Tour. So, tired eyes, radiant creamy concealer, custard and ginger, perfect combination. Real Techniques brush, blend it out. I'm not doing contour and highlight strongly today. I want a nice subtlety to my makeup because the lip is so bold. The Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette has a shade that I'm going to use. For now, the transition shades are Dover, Windsor and Castile from the Narcissist Eyeshadow palette. I'm blending absolutely every inch possible of both sides because we want to make this a beautiful seamless look. Now the large shader brush will pack on the colour. This is the colour, as I mentioned, Intravenous from the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. The look is almost bordering monochromatic. Don't forget your under eyes so that you can complete the full circle look of the eye and keep on blending and adding as you wish. Now this eyeshadow palette also has two shades, Newbury Street and Foire. I'm using those to diffuse any of the harsh edges and there's a little bit of light reflection in both of these shades as well. It's a great tip. A very thin line will help define the eye and mimic thicker lashes. Now I'm adding some depth, soft depth with bronzer. So you can use this as a stain by dabbing it, but I wanted the full pigment. I'm going to use a lip liner to tidy everything up, just take your time. So NARS Borneo Lip Pencil is like a 90s pencil. It's just softening the edges without introducing any more darkness with, say, a deep cherry liner. Just a touch up there. These feel so smooth. Love this lipstick. Just a quick tidy. Now, the skin. And the hair. I'm sorry, I just don't know what to do with my hair since I had a baby. Now the skin needs to look like skin and nobody does highlight or skin like NARS. So, Endless Orgasm palette, just blend it in with your fingers and just go for it. Photographs beautifully and is really iridescent and can be built to your heart's content. Now, always revisit the under eye after you've done your last concealer step because it'll sort of mix with your eyeshadow and you don't want it to look harsh. I have to say I agree, there's a lot of oomph to this shade. Must fix your makeup. Just refreshing with the Jeffree Star Mist. So, because it was date night, I couldn't decide whether I should do the brown or the red look, so I've gone for an example of velvet ribbon. This came in my ultimate Velvet Mix collection that I purchased. And I'm just softening this highly saturated pigmented lipstick. It's very creamy, and I wanted to make sure there was a slight sheen. And again, I didn't want to look flat. It's absolutely stunning with the brown eyes. Normally I don't do bold eyes and bold lip, but I really liked this combination too. And I do have to say, I think these lipsticks are like no other that I've tried. I'm currently online trying to get backups of what I can get. So guys, this is the bonus look. I went for the Velvet Decade for the date night, and thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again.